Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Cooking with Frenchy. You know what's coming? Christmas. We're only about 7 weeks away from Christmas. I know, crazy. Who would have thought? So one part of my recipe today will be to build you up to make beautiful chocolate truffles. So I'm going to show you first of all how to make an easy chocolate ganache, a dark chocolate ganache. And from that later on, we'll make nice little easy truffles that you can do for the entire family and be ready for Christmas. So before we go, don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, like my page, check the recipe under the description and enjoy. So I see you later just after this. As I mentioned earlier, chocolate ganache, it's easy to do. All you're gonna need is a little bit of butter, cream, some dark chocolate with a lot of cocoa butter into it, and also some vanilla essence for that recipe. That's all we need. Step 1, grab a saucepan and pour the milk into it. Add a little bit of vanilla paste, a half a teaspoon, or 10 ml of vanilla essence, or half a vanilla pod. We'll bring that to simmer. Step 2, your chocolate, either it comes into blocks or little buttons like this one, or you already melted some chocolate before and saved it. Make sure you just chop it a little bit. This will facilitate the chocolate melting. Put all in the bowl. Make sure you don't overboil the cream. When it simmers like this, that's it. You can switch it off. Now that the cream has gone to simmering point, you shake it to dissolve the vanilla essence, and you can pour it onto the chocolate. You can add your butter and stir with a spatula the chocolate, the warm cream, and the butter together with the vanilla. This recipe is a really good recipe for cakes if you want to use it as a filling of a cake, but also to mask the cake around. It's good for tarts, and I'm going to use it as well for chocolate truffles. Keep stirring your chocolate and your cream as well as the butter together until you don't see any more lumps. So that's why you're using a nice little spatula. And here we are, you've got chocolate ganache. This needs to be refrigerated and keep in the fridge. You can keep it for a few days until you need it. But look at that shiny velvety color and texture. It's beautiful. So enjoy this. Next recipe would be to show you how to make chocolate truffle easy way with that chocolate ganache. So see you next time and enjoy Cooking with Frenchy.